Bitcoin holders, please understand, okay, the next 18 weeks will be amazing for Bitcoin. And that is exactly what I want to talk about, because there is, in fact, one specific chart that I do want to show you guys for Bitcoin, indicating, okay, that the next upcoming few months, okay, Q3, even Q4 will be some amazing times. And if you guys have, in fact, been watching my videos, I've been telling you guys many times, okay, for Bitcoin, Q3 and Q4 will be amazing. I really do believe towards the end of this year, in 2025, we're going to see Bitcoin going parabolic. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching new highs. Okay, and that is exactly what I want to, talk about for today's video. Now, before we talk about all that, of course, I want to give you guys an update on what is exactly happening right now for Bitcoin and the crypto market. So let's do it, guys. So today, okay, Bitcoin is down. Okay, it is down, okay, slightly more than where it was yesterday. So we can clearly see right over here, guys, okay, Bitcoin has in fact been dropping. We're currently at the 1 hour time frame, and you can clearly see we are seeing 13 straight green candles. Okay, and this just happened a few hours ago. So you can clearly see right over here, Bitcoin has in fact been dropping. We saw Bitcoin rising up to $109,000 and then it dropped. And you guys clearly see right over here on the 1 hourly time frame, okay, for Bitcoin, 13 straight red candles, guys. Okay, it's been a while since we have seen this for Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin has in fact been dropping. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, yeah, right, you guys clearly see it's pretty much holding pretty strong, right over here. You guys clearly see I feel like 100K right now is like the support level. Bitcoin is still above $100,000, which is absolutely amazing to see, right? It's been above 100K for over a month now, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, but yeah, Bitcoin, in my opinion, is still holding up pretty well. Right now sitting at $104,000, just below 105. But yeah, it is still holding up very, very well in my opinion. Okay, but it's been a while since we have seen 13 straight red hourly candles. Okay, so pretty interesting. Okay, but yeah, the crypto market today is down slightly, nothing too crazy. It's down 2%. Okay, so past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 2%. Same with Ethereum. XRP is down almost 3%. Yeah, a fair few alts today are down. So he's down almost 5%. Same with Hyperliquid. What is Casper doing today? Casper is down 6%. So Casper has dropped quite a bit for the week. It's down 20%. This is a great time right now to buy alts, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Personally, I'm buying Bitcoin during this dip right now and Casper. Okay, as I've been telling guys many, many times, this is my main focus, just Casper and Bitcoin as of right now. Okay, as of right now, that's pretty much what I am stacking and accumulating. But yeah, I'm taking this moment right now to buy. I hope you guys are taking this opportunity right now to buy as well, because I really do believe days like this where we see drops, okay, and corrections, we buy. Okay, so I hope you guys are taking this chance right now, this gift, this opportunity to accumulate more at a cheaper price. So the Fin Greed Index right now is in neutral. Okay, yesterday we saw it in greed mode, same with last week, even last month. So it's back in neutral. Okay, obviously Bitcoin has slightly dropped, same with alts. So it's understandable why this has dropped back down to neutral at 52. Okay, but hey, when there is fear in the market and whatnot, okay, we buy. Okay, it's that simple, guys. Okay, we buy more. While others are fearful, we become greedy, right? Please remember that. So talk about this real quick. This is actually very, very interesting. Bitcoin surpasses gold in American ownership. So in America, guys, okay, there is more ownership for Bitcoin than gold. Okay, this is truly the digital gold era. Okay, and it has officially begun, right? You have to clearly see that because Bitcoin is pretty much digital gold. Okay, so in America, people own more Bitcoin than gold now. We know, okay, Bitcoin is, okay, a strategic reserve. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing to see, guys. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, right? More people, okay, in America, in the US, own more Bitcoin than gold. Pretty bullish for Bitcoin. Pretty bullish. People are realizing Bitcoin is much more better than gold. Now look at this, guys. Okay, this Bitcoin parabolic curve that has in fact been forming for Bitcoin. I've been talking about this parabolic curve for a while now. Okay, but understand we go through different bases. Okay, base 1, base 2, base 3, and base 4. Okay, and soon enough, this is not the top. Please remember that, guys. Bitcoin is going to be going much, much higher. We're going to be seeing Bitcoin going more parabolic. We're going to see some gold candles forming for Bitcoin. So this is the final leg up, okay? And this is where it's usually the most explosive, right? That's where we see Bitcoin really, really move up to the upside, guys. So Bitcoin holders, please be prepared for that, because Bitcoin is going to be going parabolic. Okay, we're going to see some gold candles forming for Bitcoin. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Now, this is what I wanted to show you guys, okay? And this is actually quite interesting, okay? So it says here the previous complete cycles both lasted over 1,000 days, so 1,064 days from the bottom to the top. If that pattern repeats, we have 18 weeks of fun ahead. The most profitable part of the cycle is ahead, right? So this is quite interesting. So you have to clearly see cycle 1 and cycle 2. Okay, so bottom to top, took over 1,000 days, 1,064 days, and you have to clearly see for this cycle 3. Okay, bottom to top, okay, we are so far 910 days, okay, in. So we still have a couple more months and weeks left, okay, for Bitcoin to rise. So understand, since this is going to be the last bull run, okay, we're in that last phase right now, okay, it's going to go parabolic. So that's why I've been telling guys I do believe Q3 and Q4 will be amazing for Bitcoin, and I hope you guys are ready for that, because yes, Bitcoin is going to be going parabolic. It's not going to wait for anyone. And yeah, there's going to be a lot of FOMO, guys. When we see Bitcoin reaching new highs, there's going to be a lot of FOMO. We're going to see Bitcoin going to 120, 150, 180 to potentially even 200K. Very, very possible, right? And higher. Okay, no one knows exactly where the top will be for Bitcoin, but I have a really, really good feeling we're going to see Bitcoin reaching at least 200K and beyond. I think that is very, very realistic, right? But who knows? We could be wrong. Okay, many people caught out 100K for the 2021 bull market. Clearly, we didn't see Bitcoin reaching 100K. Went to as high as 69K. But yeah, who exactly knows? But understand, Bitcoin is going to be going much, much higher. Okay, so the 4 stages for Bitcoin, right? You guys can clearly see that in this chart right here. So we have the bear, which we went through in 2022, right? And then the pre-bull, which was 2023, and then the first bull last year, 2024, and then the second bull. This is our last run, guys. Okay, and this is where Bitcoin usually does go parabolic, just like what it did in 2013, 2017, okay, and in 2021, right? I felt like 2017 was when Bitcoin really, really ripped up to the upside, because that's when, Bitcoin reached like over 10K for the first time ever. So that was a fantastic cycle for Bitcoin, the one in 2017. Even 2021 was amazing as well, because that's when Bitcoin really took off. It went to like tens and thousands of dollars. So yeah, 2017, 2021 was amazing. Even 2013, right? All these years were amazing for, Bitcoin. But understand, guys, this is the second bull. Okay, this is the second bull, so it is about to go parabolic. Okay, this is going to be the second run up. And yeah, we're going to see some gold candles forming for Bitcoin, guys. So understand, yes, Bitcoin is going to be reaching an all-time high. This chart is showing us here that Bitcoin has the potential to reach at least 250. Okay, 250 to, I want to say, $300,000. And then understand, it's going to have a drop. It's going to have a correction, because, okay, 4-year cycles do happen, as we know, guys. Okay, it's a 4-year cycle, so that means this is going to be the last year of the bull market, and then next year in 2026 we're going to be entering a bear market. Okay, we're going to be entering a bear market, and that's when Bitcoin will be going down a whole bunch. Okay, I hope you guys are prepared for that, and it's going to hit a bottom. Okay, but who knows, guys? Okay, I really do believe that in the future Bitcoin will be less volatile, because we know Bitcoin is really, really volatile. Okay, it goes up and down a whole bunch, right? And I do believe down in the future, long term, it's going to be less volatile. Okay, that's just me though, right? That is just me. Bitcoin is still new, right? It's only been around for what, over 15 years. So if you really think about it, it hasn't not been around for a very long time at all, right? It's still pretty much new. We're still so early for Bitcoin, guys, right? Please understand that. Now, I want to show you guys this clip. Okay, so if you just simply invested $1 in Bitcoin in 2010, okay, it would pretty much be worth $2 million right now, which is crazy. If you literally just bought $1, okay, if you just invested $1 into Bitcoin back in 2010 and you just simply held it, right, it will be worth $2 million today. So from $1 all the way to $2 million. Just think about that, guys. Just think about that. Okay, and obviously, no one knew about Bitcoin, okay, back in 2010. Like some people, full of people knew about Bitcoin, but not a lot of people obviously knew about Bitcoin back in 2010. That's when Bitcoin was so early, right? So yeah, this video is just showing you guys, if you just invested $1 into Bitcoin, okay, and you just held it through the bear cycle and the bull cycle, this is how much you would have. So it's quite interesting, right? You guys just clearly see that. So pretty cool, right? Going from, $1 all the way to $2 million, guys. Okay, so quite interesting. Okay, this is a great sign. Okay, this video just shows you guys, okay, clear signal why we should buy and hold Bitcoin for long term. Okay, because understand, Bitcoin is going to continue to rise, guys. Okay, low supply, high demand. Since Bitcoin is so limited, okay, there's ever only going to be 21 million Bitcoins, right? It's so scarce. I truly do believe Bitcoin is truly the most scarce asset out there in the world right now. Okay, and you hold one full Bitcoin, right? Which is amazing. Okay, let's just say you hold one full Bitcoin. Don't sell that Bitcoin. Just simply hold it, and you will see massive wealth coming your way, guys. So that is that. Okay, that is that, guys. Just simply buy and hold Bitcoin, even small amounts of Bitcoins, right? 1% of a Bitcoin, 0.01, 0.02, or even 10% of a Bitcoin, 0.1 Bitcoin. Holding small amounts of Bitcoin does matter, guys. Just hold your Bitcoins for a lifetime. Okay, please understand that. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. I will keep you guys up to date on what's going to be happening with Bitcoin, but so far, still above 100K, still looking pretty good, right? So I will keep you guys up to date, but yeah, I appreciate all you guys. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.